Hello everyone, it's another tip of the week. This week I wanted to share a tip I use often for making a better composition out of photo references. We all have a stack of photos like this in our studio when we create our paintings. Sometimes, or a lot of times, the photo references are not exactly what we wanted to create in terms of composition. So it's better we rework on these photo images and sometimes even use multiples to get one good composition out of it. So today I'm going to share with you how I do this using two very simple item that you probably already have somewhere, either in your home office or in your studio. So use that too to help you rework on the photo references and get the ideal composition you want. The two items I have to help me to do this composition exercise. The first one is a sheet protector. It's a transparent plastic, and you can slide your photos into this protector. It actually also prevents when I use it to paint next to my painting, to prevent the water to damage the prints. So sheet protector, and I put the photo in there as this one. The second item I use is a masking tape. This is a very economical one that you can find in the local dollar store. The advantage of this tape is it's repositionable. When you put on the tape on the sheet cover, you can move it around to get your ideal composition position. So that's what I use. So reference photo like this was taken as a horizontal. I can paint this painting as is, or I can try out some different compositions. Maybe it's more interesting. So for this one, I can use the method. The tape here, and the thinking on whether I'm going to try out as a horizontal one or if I can do a vertical one. So this is let's try out a vertical one, see if this works. So I'm putting this one down, and I can have another one and see instantly where I want this. Okay, I wanted this to be a little over here, narrower composition, or in the middle somewhere. Okay, so now you see it's a repositionable. Let's say I'm putting down here. So I got a vertical composition instantly from a horizontal reference, and get rid of everything that I probably don't need when I paint. It's a great way to get rid of the things that you don't care much, or try out this. And even for the front, for a more dramatic view, I could do this, or try out a different positions and say, maybe I will do like that. So the basic composition using this reference is like this. So instead of just the horizontal one, as you were taken, this photo was taken, and now we can see the second or even third possibilities. I can reposition this, making it even square one or even narrower, just by moving the tape over a little bit or to the side. So that's how a simple tip for making the better composition out of your photo will do. And this one, of course, it will not damage your photo, and you can reuse them later for multiple times. Here, another example of using the sheet protector and the masking tape together to make a better composition. This is a local beach scene. I can just probably paint as is, as the way that this photo is taken, or I could try to make it even better and more interesting by thinking about this. You see the front part, the beach part, and the ocean part are in original photo is almost half, closer to that. So if I simply do this, it will definitely make it ocean more as a focus and make this composition easier and better. And because the taping down process, it'll also help my eyes to remember not to go to the front location when I paint. You know, picking up too much not necessary details are always the problem. So by simply tape on this, it will help me a great deal. So in the similar location, I also had a different photo. So this one you can see it's a lot of rocks. Just by using the same tip, I could say maybe this one, instead of making a horizontal painting, this time I'm making a rock beach focused painting as a vertical instead of focusing more on the oceans. So similar but different ones that, you know, I can also borrow from the others for the ocean part if I needed to, but this way definitely gave me a better composition of mainly the beach and the fewer ocean. So simple tools like this helped me a great deal. So I thought I'm sharing this tip for with you, and hopefully you will try this one out in your studio. Thanks for watching, and hopefully next time we will do something slightly different. Thank you.